Let's begin with the fascinating gharial, a unique freshwater reptile native to the Indian subcontinent. Recognizable by its long, narrow snout, the gharial is perfectly adapted for catching fish, making it strictly piscivorous. Unlike other crocodilians, it's not dangerous to humans due to its weak jaw for large prey. Gharials are found in deep, fast-flowing rivers like the Chambal, Gunga, and Gurwa, preferring sandy banks for basking and nesting. Sadly, they are critically endangered, facing threats from river pollution, sand mining, and accidental deaths in fishing nets. Conservation efforts such as Project Crocodile and the National Chambal Sanctuary are crucial for their survival. The Chambal Sanctuary, spanning Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and Rajasthan, is a major stronghold for gharials, dolphins, and other riverine species, highlighting the importance of clean river ecosystem. Next, let's explore the concept of invasive alien species and biological invasion. Invasive species are non-native organisms introduced outside their natural habitat, which spread rapidly and harm native biodiversity. In India, notorious examples include Lantana camara, African catfish, and Nile tilapia. These species compete with native flora and fauna, alter habitats, and can even reduce crop productivity or block waterways. Biological invasion is the process by which these alien species enter, establish, and spread in new ecosystems, causing ecological, economic, or health damage. Global frameworks like the Convention on Biological Diversity and national laws such as the Biological Diversity Act, 2002, aim to prevent and control these invasions. Understanding the difference between alien, invasive, and naturalized species is crucial for effective biodiversity management. India is home to several conservation hotspots and remarkable endemic species. The Western Ghats, for instance, shelter the endangered Nilgiri tar and the rare Neelakurinji shrub, which famously blooms once every 12 years, turning hills blue. Iravakulam National Park is a key location for both. Marine environments, the dugong, also known as the sea cow, thrives in seagrass meadows along the Gulf of Mannar and Andaman and Nicobar Islands, but faces threats from habitat loss and fishing nets. Wetlands like Sampar Lake and Chilika Lake are vital for migratory birds and are protected under the Ramsar Convention. Each of these habitats faces unique challenges, from tourism pressure to ecological degradation, making ongoing conservation efforts and legal protections essential for preserving India's rich biodiversity. Finally, let's clarify some critical concepts in common UPSC traps. Critical tiger habitat refers specifically to core areas within tiger reserves, while critical wildlife habitat is a broader term for inviolate zones inside national parks and sanctuaries, declared to protect all wildlife, not just tigers. Both are defined under the Wildlife Protection Act but differ in scope and declaration process. Remember, not all alien species are invasive, and not all protected areas are tiger reserves. For lakes, know the difference between freshwater, brackish, and saline types. Sampar is saline, Chilika is brackish, and Loktik is freshwater with floating islands. These distinctions are frequently tested in exams, so focus on legal definitions, habitat types, and species ecological roles to avoid common pitfalls.